Hi, my name is Chris Harper. I'm the sales manager here at Bill Dodge GMC in Westbrook, Maine. Today I'm going to show you how to use the all-new pro-grade tailgate from GMC. This is the next generation Sierra. This one happens to be a Denali. You can open it just by simply hitting the key fob on this bottom button twice. Opens right up. There are 6 functions to this tailgate. The first one being just a simple tailgate. It comes with a bed extension feature, which extends the bed itself to 8 feet. So if you need to put any plywood or sheetrock or anything of that matter, you can put right in there without sliding out. And to open that tailgate, just simply at the bottom, there's 2 buttons, and it opens. The top button works to lower this. And then if you lower that bed extension feature again, you've got a full step. You can climb right in. You've also got a handle here for any assistance getting in or getting out. And that just goes, just a simple push there. A couple other uses here. You can use this as a seat. If you want your feet on the ground. If you don't want your feet on the ground, you can use it as a seat here for the ball game or anything like that. Folds up. 1, 2. If you hit the top button, you open this middle section. This can be used for a few things. If you just want to throw something in, if you want to use it for if you're a contractor, for maps, just a simple holder for tailgate party. This also, so if you have anything in the bed that you don't want flying out and you want it's secure, you can use this all too. Now if you do have a tonneau cover on the truck and you just want to throw something in without undoing anything or putting the whole tailgate down, you can just throw it in right there. You can also do it all, if you just hit both of those buttons all at the same time, it comes right down. That is the pro-grade tailgate. It goes up and down just a matter of seconds. Again, this is Chris Harper, sales manager at Bill Dodge GMC in Westbrook, Maine. If you have any questions, feel free to come see us.